The Morant Bay Urban Centre is a game changer for the parish of St. Thomas, Jamaica, by combining government agencies and private entities in a single complex, making it a one-stop shop for the residents of Morant Bay and neighboring communities. As we head east of the urban center, these new footages reveal the many changes since our last video. Our first stop is the Justice Square that will host a parish and family courts, which boast a new era of structural design in the parish of St. Thomas. It will include basement parking that will hold up this massive structure, which will stand out to everyone passing by. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Next, we have the building that will be the home of multiple government agencies, including a new full-service tax office, Registrar General Department, and a passport, immigration, and citizen agency, all under one roof. This building is in its advanced stages. Windows have been installed and painting have started. Meet the Morant Bay Commercial Zone, which will be the most visited by the residents of St. Thomas. This is where you will find your department stores, bill payment entities, doctor's office, daycares, and food courts. This building will be the Popeyes fast food restaurant, also in its advanced stages, and is being painted while its driveway is being constructed. We are off to the Juici Patties restaurant, located at the second entrance to the urban center. This entrance gives you access to the fast food restaurants, reducing traffic from the main entrance, which you will see soon. This is the Bogle Hall and the entrance to the commercial zone. And for those who do not know who Paul Bogle is, he is one of Jamaica's national hero. To the left of the Bogle Hall will be a mega supermarket to provide a one-stop shop for the residents of St. Thomas. This building represents the history of the Goodyear Tire Factory in the parish of St. Thomas. It is a part of the original structure of Goodyear, Jamaica, which closed its doors on March 21st, 1997, leaving workers wondering how will they feed their families. Now it is a part of St. Thomas' future. It will now be the livelihood of many residents once the business processing outsourcing opens its doors. Next we have the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, which is one of Jamaica's largest private-held tertiary education institution operating in 6 parishes across Jamaica. This building will be the host of the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation and will also be the home of St. Thomas Town Hall, which is located to the rear of the building and has its own entrance. This building has a basement parking. This is the main entrance to the Morant Bay Urban Center, with a security tower standing tall. Here is the National Commercial Bank, which plays a major role in the development of the Morant Bay Urban Center, and also the Portland Urban Center, which already broke ground. Here's one of the entrances to the town hall. We are now flying over the industrial zone, where the warehouses are located. These two buildings represent our future engineers and skilled laborers. They are the home of the Art Trust NSTA. Look at that beautiful landscape. This building is for the KFC restaurant, and there will also be a Burger King at the east end of the commercial zone. And yes, there will also be healthy food in the food court. This open space will be the Heritage Park, and it will also have a jogging or a walking trail for after work exercise. Thank you for watching, and feel free to watch my other updates.